Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Edge 830 navigation. First, power on your device and tap the navigation icon on the home screen to begin. This responsive unit boasts a 2.6-inch touchscreen, making it simple to interact with maps and menus. Plus, with up to 20 hours of battery life, you can confidently navigate long rides without worrying about power. Let's dive into setting up your first adventure. Planning your route is straightforward with the Edge 830. You can create custom courses right on the device using the course creator, adding points like intersections or saved locations. For pre-planned adventures, easily import routes from Garmin Connect or popular third-party platforms such as Strava. Simply connect your device to a computer to transfer FIT or TCX files, and your new course will be ready to follow. Once your route is loaded, the Edge 830 provides excellent guidance. You'll receive clear turn-by-turn directions and visual cues on the 2.6-inch map display. The device also uses popularity routing to help you find the best cycling-specific roads and trails. Should you miss a turn or go off course, the unit will swiftly recalculate, guiding you back to your path or offering an alternative route to your destination. Beyond basic navigation, the Edge 830 offers advanced features to enhance your ride. Climb Pro displays detailed information about upcoming ascents, showing gradient and remaining distance. For off-road enthusiasts, mountain bike trail navigation allows you to search for trails with difficulty filters. And if you ever need to head home early, the convenient Back to Start option can guide you directly or retrace your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.